In this video, we are gonna see how you can add a countdown timer to your WordPress website using Elementor, like this. So, to add the countdown timer, we need to install the Elementor Pro plugin. So, click the link below in this video and purchase the plugin. Once you get it, install the plugin on your website. Once you do that, go to the pages where you want to add countdown and click edit with Elementor. Here, search for countdown. Now drag this and drop it here. Now select the color you want to add. I'm gonna set this color. Now to set the countdown for a number of days, click due date and set the date, or if you want to run the countdown timer for limited task, select evergreen option. Let's select this and enter the number you want to add and click update. Now, if we go back to our site and click refresh, you can see that we have got the countdown. Now, if you add some design to your countdown timer, look more beautiful. So, add some padding, margin and color. Now, let's do this. Now, change space. Next, add some padding. Now change border type. I'm gonna choose solid. Now adjust the width. Now change our digit number color. Go to content. I'm gonna change digit color and label color. If you like the video, I think you will also like my video on how to create a free website and also a full playlist of my other video. And of course, if you find this useful to you, feel free to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.